like them. Jamming on the beat. It sells me out and then like them.
Usually Mechanicsburg and I think it's Georgia are the best places. Phoenix not so much, but I have gotten one good box from this. Okay, so anyway, let's open her up and see what we got. This is the top view. I'm going to sit it down here on the floor. Excuse me. Okay, this is a Victoria's Secret bra, which I just ordered a couple from there that were on clearance. So, this is a 38 double D, which I just got a double D in the other one, but I usually wear a 40, so I don't know if I can wear this. Especially now I got fat. Sometimes they put the price on here, but I don't see it, but I can probably scan it and find out how much it's worth. It's still in the package. Still sealed. Still in the package. And it's probably one of them situations where somebody mailed it to, somebody ordered it and then forgot about it and just, it didn't, they ordered to open one, it didn't fit, so they didn't bother opening the other one. That happens. And then I have this. And I'm assuming this is a tablet or a laptop case. And it's Vera Bradley. Nice. If you look on the inside, there you go. And then you have this. It's a Velcro side pocket in there. And it's Velcroed together. So, yep. It looks really good. It's Vera Bradley. I have a friend who really likes Vera Bradley. Oh my gosh. I know this is a strange thing, but I'm in love. See, it says, "Thank you for celebrating with us." But isn't that cute? But it's just like a wedding reception or anything like that. It's a thank you gift for your guests. Okay, and here I got Fila socks. And it's a 6-pack, size 4 to 10. Swift dry. Make sure they're all here. Yeah, they're all here. So you get 6 pairs. They're pink, gray, and then gray and pink. Nice. So that's that. Oh, and then I got a pair of mittens, and they're new with tags also. Which is probably a good thing, 'cause I don't know if I can do mittens. There are people who love them. Me, I'm too much of a control freak to have my hands tied up. But that's what they look like. Very, very warm. See if I can see who they're by. Mittens and more. It looks like Karen June Carpenter mittens and more. This is the tag. I mean, and I'm sure they are very expensive. Yeah, I'm sure they're very expensive just by how quality made they are, and they're definitely thick. Yeah, they're thick. I don't know if it says what it's made out of. Nope. They're definitely thick, and they're definitely warm. Nice. 'Tis the season. Oh, and look at this. Anyone going as Wonder Woman for Christmas or for Halloween, you might want to knock it down a notch. My friend asked her if she needed anything. She said she needed underwear. I should take these to her. Oh, these are Victoria's Secret too, because they're pink. Yeah, they're made by Pink. And what size are they? They're large. Yeah, they're large. But you know. And that's the back side. But they're new with tags, so. Let's see what this is. Got a couple things here. Oh, here's a phone case. This is one of those newer ones. Oops. There you go. It's a wallet for your phone case. And it has the plastic part to it. Oh, I see it's got two-sided tape right there. And you're supposed to tape it this way. And then over here is your card holders things. And it stays shut like that. That's nice too. These are Hunter welly socks. The perfect socks for your Hunter boots. And they're just basically inserts for your boots. Look, they're stockings. And they say Hunter on them. I mean, you could use these as stockings, let's be honest. But it says it's perfect for your boots. For, you know, basically for your rubber boots we all have. So I may have to keep that because I think I need a pair for mine. But we'll see. My hip. Lastly, I lied, not lastly. Got a lot of stuff in this one. We got a pillow, which does go with my couch and my decor, so it will probably go on my couch. I see no name on it. Doesn't matter. Because I'm not a big name people person. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. I don't care who makes it. You're not going to sway me by, you know. Oh, there's still more stuff in here. Goodness. Let me see if I can just grab it all out. Oops, almost did. There, now I got it. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. These are jammy shorts. And here's the jammy shirt. And they are extra large and they're from Old Navy. Which I will like those. They might. Yeah, they'll fit. As long as they stay up, they'll fit. And here's the top. They're very soft. $15. They were $15 at Old Navy. I prefer to sleep in shorts because I'm so hot-blooded. Then I also have a bow disease, so it's kind of like, what are you going to get? You never know what you're going to get. Okay, then we got this belt. We got this belt, and it's really cool. I like it. But that chick alert, you know, it's never going to fit around me. Because at its smallest, it's still going to be too big, too little for me. Because I'm fat girl alert. But that's okay. That's okay. It's cute. Here's the back. It's cute. I don't know. It's got a name on it. Let's see who makes it. Because yeah, sometimes that matters when it comes time to sell. Let's see. It's 34. Which, yeah, fat girl alert. Used to be able to wear 34s easy. I don't see a name. Oh, here it is. Brighton. And it's made in China. That's really cute. It is cute. Then we have Archie socks. Still new with tag. They always have socks in here. There's the new tag and all that on there. And there's another one of these things. And I got one in my last one. And I'm going to tell you, I still don't know what they are. I don't know what this is. I wish somebody would be smart and tell me what the heck this is. I don't know. I'm going to have to take a picture of it and find out what it is. On Google. That's all I can do. I can do Google Lens and hope for the best and figure out what they're for. Because that gives me two. And guess what? This is just, I was going to go buy new shower curtain rings. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, Ultimate Luxury. And they're bath rings. And because I got that, I went to the Amazon store and I got a new shower curtain. And I wanted to put new rings up with it. So now I don't have to go get back to the store and get it. Yay me! So in this box we got 1, whatever this is, I don't know what it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 12 items. They promise you 10. And they used to say up to 15, but now they say 10, and then if you get more, you get more. There's 12 in this one, and I paid $32 for it. And that includes, because I don't pay shipping, so that includes shipping. So you're getting 12 items, you're getting $2 an item. So another good deal, another good fun box. Feel free to come back and join us. We do all kinds of unboxings. Not just Thredups, but we do anything saving money. We do mystery boxes. We do subscription boxes. We do beauty. We do, what else do we do? Bad Bit Fun. I've been doing a segment on couponing on Thursdays for Dollar General on Saturdays. So come on back and join us. Like and subscribe, and if you hit that bell, it'll tell you next time we have, yeah, that's what it'll tell you. Next time we have a video up. Bye.